Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about vacuums. Most wet-dry vacuums have a self-cleaning function with just a push of a button, but you still have to deep clean it from time to time. Today I want to show you how I deep clean mine. First I take out the little parts, the filter, the brush and the canisters. Then I rinse them in the bathroom sink and spray a disinfectant spray cleaner. It doesn't matter what cleaner I use, it only matters that it doesn't contain bleach because I don't want to ruin my vacuum. A dirty vacuum won't have a good suction power and won't work properly. A smelly vacuum is an indication you should clean it ASAP. It's very important to keep the filter clean. Most of them are washable, but if it's not washable, you can buy replacements. Also, if the brushes are dirty, they won't be able to do their job. After spraying the cleaner I have on hand, I let it sit according to instructions. In the meantime, I will wipe the vacuum with wipes. You keep your vacuum cleaner from stinking by deep cleaning it from time to time. It's obvious that if you don't deep clean it, the bacteria accumulates and begin to stink. We always use our tools to clean, but never think about cleaning them, or at least not often enough. Vacuum cleaners that haven't been properly cleaned have the potential to disseminate mold and bacteria inside your home. Cleaning your vacuum will not only make it work better and smell nicer, it's also better for your health. If left to get dirty, not only it will lose suction power and make your job twice as difficult, it can also be harmful to your health. A neglected vacuum will spread dirt around your house, not just on the floor, but also in the air. It's important to let all the parts, but especially the filter, dry completely before reinserting it, as a damp filter will hinder the performance of your vacuum, and there's also a risk of damaging the motor or encouraging mold to grow. Drying it out may take a whole day, so make sure you leave plenty of time until your next vacuum session. If you want it to dry faster, leave it in a sunny spot. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!